Would you like a newspaper to read, sir? Sir? Sir?
Oh,
Would you like a newspaper to read, sir?
yeah. I'll take the Daily Mail.
There you go, sir.
Thank you. I'm always a little nervous before flying. It'll help take my mind off things.
Oh, try not to worry too much. You know, air flight is the safest form of travel.
I know. I'm sure I'll be better after we take off.
You know, we have some flight entertainment for you too. You'll find the film guide in the pocket in front of you, our in-flight magazine.
Oh, good. A nice film will help me to relax.
Programs will start shortly after takeoff. If there's anything I can get for you, then please just call for assistance.
When will dinner be served?
In about an hour or so. We have fish, steak, and the vegetarian option. Which one would you like?
Fish, please.
Okay, I'll be back later. Now, please, just try to relax and enjoy the flight. Sir, have you seen the catalog for our in-flight shop?
This one?
That's it. Would you like to order any duty-free goods?
Yes, please. Can I pay by credit card?
Yes. All major credit cards are accepted. But purchases must not exceed $500 US.
Okay. I'd like this bottle of Scotch whiskey, please. At $34?
Right. That will be one bottle of Johnny Walker malt whiskey. Is there anything else you'd like, sir?
Yes. I'd like these titanium sunglasses.
Yes, they are priced at $145 US. Will that be all, sir?
Yes. That's everything. Thanks.
The total bill comes to $179 US. Can I have your credit card, please?
Sure. Here you go.
Thank you. Sir, please wait while I collect your duty-free goods.
Thank you.